Hi everyone, this is Luke. Today I will show you how to block a YouTube channel. On YouTube we have two options, blocking a single video or blocking an entire channel. For example, let's say I don't like this video and I don't want to see similar content. I click on the three dots, then select not interest, and this tells YouTube that I'm not interested in this type of content, so I won't see similar videos anymore. But if we want a stronger block that applies to the entire channel, we need to open the channel, click on the three dots again, and select Hide user from my channel. This will prevent the channel from appearing and we won't be able to watch its videos. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help me a lot in doing similar videos.